curious lang ako kung saan, para saan to. So kaya nagtanong ako. Ice kasi na may tubig. Ice na may tubig. Kaya pala, unahin lang ito. After mo kumain ito, parang actually may ice to, maginaw, cold na noodles. You can eat this only in Korea.
Where are we going?
So anong gagawin natin after this? So just like this. Try natin guys ha. Just like this.
Why you are always when we travel?
Diba? May ice yan, may ice.
Why?
May ice.
Wow! You still? I'm finishing.
Cold siya nga noodles. Pero kakaibang noodles. Pero masarap siya. May flavor.
I'm still.
Na may kimchi.
No.
May kimchi po siya guys. Tingnan nyo. May kimchi yan. And then,
No, where?
repolyo. Yan. Pagkatapos yung kumain yan, ang gagawin naman nito, to zip lang daw. Zip kahit konti lang. Di ko alam kung anong purpose nila nito. Pero gawin lang natin. Okay? Ayan na. Ganito lang. Hindi ko ma-explain kung ano yung lasa. Pero hindi siya maalat. Sabaw na may ice. Hindi siya ice na ano lang ha.
I don't want it.
Pinong ice.
So delicious.
May konting salt at seasoning.
I like it.
Pang tamang-tama para dito. So, try natin ulit.
But I've seen your story. You're wearing like this.
Yeah.
That's why actually.
I love white color and
So when I saw that, oh my God, may gift to my sister.
Masarap. Masarap.
Nade.
Masarap pala guys.
When I saw that story,
Parang pwede sa pampatunaw. Pampatunaw sa di ba kanina kumain kami ng meat?
I love it.
Kumain kami ng meat at hard food. Ito naman,
that's why.
good for digestion. Tama ba? Digestion.
No. I need it.
Ni
It's more. What's the one that I?
so delicious.
Extra. Yeah.
It's the one that I've given you.
Sarang eh.
The one.
Daddy.
Oh yeah.